Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best pin nailer for woodworking? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 pin nailers just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. Metabo HPT NP35A Pin Nailer. At the top of our list is the Metabo HPT NP35A Pin Nailer, a highly adaptable tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Compatible with 23-gauge headless pins, it automatically adjusts for fastener lengths from 5/8 inches to 1 3/8 inches, offering flexibility for various projects. The dual trigger ensures safe, accurate placement, while depth adjustment provides flush drives for a professional finish. The rear exhaust directs oil and debris away from the work surface, keeping it clean. Weighing just 2 pounds, this lightweight tool reduces fatigue during extended use. Ideal for cabinets, trim, craftwork, and more. It features a large fastener capacity for increased productivity and comes with a 5-year warranty. Makita AF353 Pin Nailer. The Makita AF353 23-gauge pin nailer is a compact yet powerful tool for precise woodworking. It drives headless pins from 5/8 inches to 1 3/8 inches, offering versatility for various tasks. Weighing just 2 pounds, its lightweight aluminum body ensures durability and comfort during prolonged use. The nail lockout mechanism prevents blank fires, protecting both the tool and the work surface. The side-loading magazine holds up to 130 nails, maximizing productivity. With user-friendly features like a built-in air duster and reversible belt hook, this pin nailer is designed for convenience. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Porter Cable Pin 138 Pin Nailer. The Porter Cable Pin 138 Pin Nailer is a reliable tool for precise fastening in various woodworking tasks. Accommodating 23-gauge headless and slight head pin nails from 5/8 inches to 1 3/8 inches, it ensures clean, subflush results in materials like oak. The maintenance-free motor eliminates the need for oil, keeping your work surface spotless. Features include a rear exhaust, dry fire lockout, and a narrow nose design with a removable non-marring tip for accuracy. The side-load magazine holds 130 micro pin nails and automatically adjusts for different lengths. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's perfect for cabinet makers and furniture builders, offering both durability and ease of use. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty. NuMax SP123 Pin Nailer. The NuMax SP123 pneumatic 23-gauge 1-inch micro pin nailer is a lightweight and versatile tool ideal for various projects. It accommodates headless micro pins from 15/32 inches to 1 inch, ensuring flexibility in different applications. The bottom loading magazine allows for quick reloading, enhancing efficiency. Designed for user comfort, the ergonomic body and grip reduce fatigue, making extended use more manageable. The contact actuation trigger ensures precise pin placement and prevents accidental firing. Built with durable die-cast aluminum, this pin nailer is both robust and reliable. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty and a 30-day wearable parts warranty for added peace of mind. Bostitch HP118K Pin Nailer. Wrapping up our list, the Bostitch HP118K Pin Nailer stands out as a robust tool crafted for clean and accurate fastening in woodworking projects. Using 23-gauge pins, it's ideal for delicate materials, preventing splits that larger nails may cause. With 60 inch-pounds of driving power, it securely seats pins flush. The high/low power control allows for depth adjustment without changing the compressor setting. The magazine holds 200 pins, reducing the need for frequent reloading. Ergonomically designed with a low-profile nosepiece for clear visibility and an overmolded grip for comfort, this lightweight tool offers easy maneuverability. It operates at 70 to 120 psi and includes a 7-year limited warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind. We hope this video helps you find the perfect pin nailer. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.